Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a CSV file to record attendance in the VRC. So to do this, you're first going to navigate to the VRC and locate the class. So I'm going to ILT Manage Events. I'm going to paste in the name of the class or webinar and do a search. Next, you'll go to the class and click on View Sessions. Next, you'll locate the session that you want to fill in the attendance for and select Roster. And from here, you're going to select the Attendance and Scoring tab. So I'm going to select Download Roster. And depending on the session, you'll either put in a score, maybe you won't, and you'll put in a 1 for yes and a 0 for no for the attendance and the pass. By default, everyone's a pass, so you'll want to change this to a 0 for people that didn't pass. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this in. And this is kind of what it looks like once you're finished filling it out. You'll notice I didn't put a score in here. That's because for this particular course, it's a pass, don't pass, so I don't really have to worry about the score. Just making sure that the people who passed have a 1, people who didn't pass have a 0, and that I mark a 1 for the attendance in the Part 1 and Part 2 columns. So once you've done this, you'll save the file, and then you'll return to the Vision Resource Center, then navigate back to that same course session, and make sure you're in the attendance and scoring area and click on Choose File. Select the Excel file that you just edited and click on Upload Roster. And you'll see that it instantly marks all of the attendance for the people who passed, and it also gives them the pass check mark. And this is good for all the pages. At this point, you can submit the roster by clicking Submit Roster. Thanks for watching.